My name is Jonathan Hanna. I'm a personal trainer and CrossFit coach in San Francisco, California, here at LaLanne CrossFit. So as a lifelong athlete, I've banged my head a few times, got hurt plenty of times, and I'd like to share one story about an injury during training. I was doing a heavy back squat without a spotter. I don't recommend this. And I got stuck under about 320 pounds. So I was trying to come up out of the squat and couldn't, and I had to bail, basically dodging a barbell from crushing me on the way down. When I did this, my head snapped back. There wasn't any pain initially. It was about 10 minutes after the incident, my neck locked up. I couldn't look right at all or left, and my first call after that was to the Source. Dr. Jordan and Dr. Josh made sure to get me in right away and saw that my right side was extremely inflamed. I got on the adjustment table and received an adjustment from Dr. Jordan and started to sweat out of every pore in my body, including like the top of my hands, which was very weird. And I started to receive my range of motion back immediately. I was in the mindset that I was going to be out of work for 1 to 2 weeks, and I was back 3 days later. After this experience, I've made sure that chiropractic is a part of my life, but my clients as well. It's simple mechanics to me. When the spine gets out of place, there's only one way I know how to have it put back in place, and that's with a trained chiropractor. It's been one of the best uses of my resources to keep me and my clients healthy.